Good morning, my name is Alvin Kwa and I am the Senior Technical Consultant for Stratus Technology. I cover mainly the Asia South region. Stratus Technology can provide uninterrupted access to your solution as well as your application without any downtime, guarantee up to 5 nines of fault tolerance redundancy. And if you follow me, I have in front of me our solution. The first one is FT server, or namely fault tolerance server over here. And over here, I have our ZTC Edge, or zero touch computing. This is both of our solution. I will just go into detail. Okay, a quick brief of what is our FT server. Our FT server is a turnkey solution that out of the box will provide compute resources to your application as well as your services without any interruption to the operation and zero data loss if any of the hardware failure were to occur. It is suitable to be in place in a computer room or as well as in a data center. And from the compute resources is able to provide up to high computing for your application, therefore giving you flexibility in terms of your deployment. And over here, our ZTC Edge is a ruggedized appliances out of the box, provide up to fault tolerance redundancy. And because of our form factor, you are able to place it or deploy it in any harsh environment because it is able to provide high temperature up to 60 degrees Celsius, as well as shock proof and vibration proof. So with these two of our solution, again, Stratus solution is able to provide uninterrupted services without any disruption to your application in your operation. Thank you.